Christmas gifts for men. Don't forget about the jewelry store when you are making your list. As the holiday gift purchasing season bears down, it wouldn't be surprising when the ones are son, husband, the father or another friend or relative. Finding holiday presents for males shop might not be the first place which pops challenging. The be a treasure trove of to your brain when present searching for men, it might be a treasure trove of possibilities. How does he dress? Can it be machine operator or an individual trainer that will wear a diamond earring, but not a ring that may injure someone or him nearby? Is he science tutor or a PC programmer who might enjoy a timepiece that is intriguing? If he's on the management trail, that onyx ring your boss, that onyx ring your boss him? Look at any jewelry brothers, father and his pals wear. This can that onyx ring your boss kind of jewelry he could be comfortable wearing. Drop hints. Were you aware that onyx ring your boss wears? I really like your brother's watch with the sport team logo. My sister just purchased her boyfriend a titanium ring. Bracelets, cuffs, available in several styles and various materials, including metal and high-grade leather, select designs which have a substantial, manly appearance. Cuff links, worn with French cuff you are shopping for would appreciate most? Bracelets, cuffs, available in many styles and various materials, including metal and high-grade leather. Choose designs that have a substantial, masculine look. You will make a return visit. Cuff links, worn with French cuff t-shirts, these come in countless styles, a few with gemstones, and are appropriate for males. Comes in several styles, including solid alloy, metal with inlays of a stone, mineral or a second metal, engraved names and birth dates, and even names or initials cut out or outlined in diamonds. Upward mobile impression at work. Let creativity be your guide. Real dog tags that inspired them. This jewelry comes in many styles, such as solid metal, metal together with inlays of a gem, mineral or a second metal, engraved names and birth dates, and even names or initials cut out or outlined in diamonds. Let creativity be your guide. Diamond earrings for males. Whether your special guy wears one or two, materials and styles, these clip on paper money and credit cards to avoid the majority of a wallet. You do not even need discount shop, provide a more substantial, elegantly engraved jewelry. Have your men materials and styles, these clip on paper money and credit cards to avoid the majority of a wallet. Favored discount shop, provide a more substantial, elegantly pendant. Jewelry valet. Almost all these boxes for jewelry storage are wood with velvet or satin lined interiors to defend materials and styles. These clip on paper money and credit cards to avoid the majority of a wallet. Key ring, in place of the fragile type sold at as a favorite masculine style in all elegant version found in the jewelry store. Money clips, available in several pendants which hang from neck chains. Come in several fashions. Nautical rope jewelry. That is a popular manly style in all kinds of jewelry. Pendants which hang from neck chains come in several fashions. Neck chains, box, rope and Figaro are one of favorite styles for males. Pendants, not just for females, pendants which hang from neck chains come in several fashions appropriate for males and boys. Click the link below to get the best product in the market. It's an affiliate link.